Good morning, friends. Uh, this is I'm talking about Arogya Setu app, which is a very useful app introduced by central government, uh, which is a self-assessment tools to know how you are and how to fight against COVID-19. There are measures is here, and there is a tools to know how your locality is, how the people of your locality is. So let's take a quick look. So here is a assessment tool. So however I am showing as a safe. Now again I am taking a self assessment. Assess again. Here assess again. So there are some automated question will appear. You have to choose the answer. So here the message is, please note that information from this chat will be used for monitoring and management of the current health crisis and research in the fight against COVID-19. So the question here is, are you experiencing any of the following symptoms? Cough, fever, difficulty in breathing, none of the above. So you have to choose according to your health. So here I am choosing, here is none of the above. Now coming to the next question, have you ever had any of the following? Diabetes, hypertension, lung disease, heart disease. I am choosing here is none of the above. Have you traveled anywhere internationally in the last 14 days? Here no. Uh, which of the following apply to you? I have recently interacted or lived with someone who has tested positive in COVID-19. I am healthcare worker. I examined COVID-19 confirmed case without protective care. Here again none of the above. So my self assessment has been done. So I back to the app. Here the home screen. Now look at the data point here showing, which is very interesting and which will help you to take decisions. So let's look at 500 meters. 500 meters, 1975 users are there with using this Arogya Setu app. 65 users have taken self test. Out of 65 users said unwell, no COVID positive. 1 kilometer radius, this locality 7158 users using this app, and 218 was taken a self test. Out of that, 217 is said unwell. 217 is said unwell out of 218, and no COVID positive. Now come to 2 kilometer radius, 26,835 users using, 939 user took the self test, 932 users self said as unwell, one user COVID-19 positive. So within 2 kilometer radius, one positive case is active positive case is there. So be safe, be at your home. This is now 5 kilometer radius, 1,60,000 users are there. Out of that, 5607 took the self assessment. Out of that, 556 user said unwell. 12 user diagnosed is COVID-19 positive, which is really cause of concern. 10 kilometer radius, 4,80,000 people using this app. 18,402 is took the self test today. 80,265 users said unwell, and 49 users diagnosed COVID-19 positive. Really cause of concern. Be at home, be safe, help the administration, police, hospitals, municipality worker, whoever working 24 into 7 to save us. So requesting all viewers to be home, be safe, look at your families, don't go outside, and help the administration and the nation. Thank you.